time of being on full blast. Let's turn that down. Can't get over how dark this car is. Really, really dark in here. So, we pop this guy out. See this little... That's where it is. So, if you had the extra wires, I took this puppy, put it in, popped her down. Want to see? Here, let me show you. One-hander? Nope. You see? You go up in there, turn, pull down. Done. Now, let's get this guy off and see what happens. So, as dark as this car is, I still won against this cover. Now, let me show you. This just clips in, but these puppies also help. So what these do, you have to get around this, and they lock into here. So using a tool with the smaller, I went back behind here, turned and pulled out. Same with this. Went back behind here, pulled outward. You want to release this from that. You see they're a little, you can't see it, but they snap into place. Got it? Got it. Same with here. So you go in and sort of pull outward, as that's how it locks into place. Kind of a pain, but you can do it. I have faith in you. Gotta get them. They're in my descriptions. Yeah. So let's get the mirror off. We don't need the mirror off, but we're gonna do it anyway. It's a T20, just to show you. See, comes right off. Do we need to do that? No. I did anyway. So I'm gonna put it back with the, make sure it's a T20. It is a, come on puppy, come on, I see you, T20, yeah. So that's how you take off the mirror in what is this, 2020? Honda Civic? So, like it, don't like it, share it, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.